Welcome to Prospero Dynamics. We create unforgettable wow moments that transform events into something truly extraordinary. Using artificial intelligence and robotics, we are revolutionizing and enhancing the event experiences that leave a lasting impression on your audiences. At events, clients are constantly on the lookout for new innovations and concepts that can create a remarkable impact. Their goal is to captivate audiences with unforgettable experiences. At Prospero Dynamics, we bridge that gap, bringing innovation and technology together to turn concepts into reality. Presenting our wide range of intelligent autonomous robots designed to make your events truly stand out. Introducing the iHost, our most popular robot for delivering exceptional guest interactions. This versatile, interactive robot excels at stage acts, hosting the shows, greeting, guiding, and interacting with the guests. They can even serve as a smart registration desk, feedback collector, and a smart photographer, creating wonderful memories for your guests. Introducing Nova, a tall and highly intelligent humanoid robot that encompasses all the functionalities of iHost. Nova is quick, clever, and comes with a variety of features along with AI-enabled compatibility. Its high-definition display and rich sound quality will undoubtedly leave your guests wanting more. Next is the AdBot, a smart robot equipped with a high-definition 27-inch screen. This dual-display robot excels in promotions, advertisements, interactions, and serves as an engaging kiosk. Your customers cannot miss watching the large screen. For large gatherings, our iAssist and M2 serving robots are the ideal solution. With multi-tray capabilities and a load capacity of 60 kilograms, they are perfect for sales, promotions, marketing, and distributing refreshments seamlessly. At Prospero Dynamics, we are dedicated to adding immense value to the events industry, creating magical moments and elevating the brand value of our clients through innovative robotic solutions.